Water forms, interwoven patterns of energy, rhymes of wave movements predetermined by the nature of water. Drawing lines of tension, creating pressure and suction in a flow. Distributing volume, creating buoyancy. Balancing on the borderline between the sea and the sky, the waterline. Lines translate the shape in 3 dimensions and unfold it. Shapes that reflect the winding course of water in flow and minimize drag, making an extension of the human body, an agile and responsive kayak where you can interact with hydrodynamic forces efficiently and securely. A hull design that empowers you with seaworthiness to seek saltwater adventures and experience the sea. Long ago, the watermen took up the hunt for the big marine mammals and harvested the sea in tiny kayaks. They took part and were part of ancient coast cultures, living intimately connected with nature. My great-grandfather met these people and captured them in his paintings from Greenland in the late 18th century, before the sea took him on his way back to the New World. The longing for the sea is bigger than words and wider than pictures. It runs in our veins and has to be lived.